Guys, nagluto na naman ako ng pang dinner guys. Good evening, good evening. Nagluto ako ng laswa, pang komida, comer. Good evening for dinner right now. For eating right now. Laswa, kompleto ricados, may kapatis, may sibuyas, may asin, may magic sarap. Ito guys, so laswa, alugbati, pang palakas ng katawan, pang pahaba ng buhay. Good evening, Assalamualaikum, Assalamualaikum. Yauma. Kumain palagi ng gulay, pang pahaba ng buhay. For eating right now, comida, comer. Buenas noches. Comida, comer. Assalamualaikum. Hiyauma. Buenos dias. Buenas tardes. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat guys. Kain tayong lahat guys. For dinner right now, for eating right now. Comida, comer. Laswa guys, pang pahaba ng buhay. Good evening. Maayong gabi sa inyo lahat guys. Ula. Buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Kumain palagi ng gulay para umaba ang buhay. Para maging malakas ang ating katawan, para malayo sa sakit. Good evening. Kain tayong lahat guys. For dinner right now. Comida, comer. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much for watching my video for today. Maraming salamat guys sa pagpanood nyo ng aking video guys. Pa-share naman at pa-follow at pa-comment guys. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much for watching my video for today. Maraming salamat guys sa pag-support nyo ng aking video guys. Pa-share naman guys at pa-comment at pa-follow guys. Kompleto ricados, may sibuyas, may asin, may kamatis, may hipon na maliit ang sahog, may magic sarap, may sibuyas, may bawang, may luya. Kompleto ricados. Thank you very much for watching my video for today. Maraming salamat guys sa pag-support nyo ng aking video guys. Pa-share naman at pa-follow. Bye guys. God bless you. Bye.